You guys have been asking for more recipes on this channel, so I'm so excited to show you 3 vegan smoothies that are absolutely incredible. They are a game changer in my kitchen, and I hope they are in yours as well. They're very nourishing, very filling, and just absolutely incredible. And they are all easy because I like easy plant recipes. So this first one is a cherry chocolate smoothie. Who doesn't love a cherry chocolate smoothie? It's absolutely incredible. With this one, we're going to use about 3 ripe bananas. So 3 to 4 ripe bananas. We are going to use 1 tablespoon of raw cacao. So I don't eat cacao every single day, but now and then I go through phases and I enjoy it. We're going to use some trace mineral drops. And you guys, I'm saving the best for last. The last has a few different things I've been eating in it, so I'm excited to show you guys that. A little bit of ashwagandha powder. So this is good for de-stressing. And we're going to use about a cup and a half of organic frozen cherries. So this smoothie is so good. I know you guys will absolutely freaking love it. And then I like to add a little bit of fresh water as well. And I use a little bit of ice because I like my smoothies thick. I don't like my smoothies thin, otherwise I'll just drink a shake, right, you guys? So we'll add a little bit of ice and we will blend this up. All right, so here we have our chocolate cherry bliss. So delicious. So if you like chocolate now and then, you will love this, you guys. Like, it's just divine and incredible. So smoothies are just great. They're a great way to get in a lot of calories and just fill yourself up for a while. Okay, number 2, I came up with this one recently and it's a banger. It is so good, you guys. So let me show you how it's done and what we use. Again, very filling and just delicious. So these smoothies are my top 3. They are the best. And we're gonna start with a base of fresh almond milk. So this is homemade. I'm a big believer in making as much as we can fresh and homemade. So if you can, make it fresh. I made this in the Nama M1. It's actually my favorite Nama machine. It's amazing. So I will put a link for it down below if you guys want one. Same with the blender. And I'll put 1 cup of our homemade almond milk in there. We'll put that in the blender. And then we are going to use 2 bananas in this recipe. So 2 ripe bananas. And don't you guys just love smoothies? And let me know down below your favorite smoothie recipe. I would love to hear. And we are also going to put in some, actually I'll put the spinach after. We're going to put in a tablespoon of peanut butter as well. So I'm big into peanut butter lately. I love it. And I found it's been great for blood sugars. So I track my blood sugars 24/7. I have a lot of content coming on that. So make sure you guys subscribe. And these smoothies are great for my blood sugar as well, which I love. So I'm also going to put a scoop of peanut butter powder. And what I love with peanut butter powder is most of the fat is removed. So it's not as fatty as putting like 2 full tablespoons of peanut butter. So I put that in. And then we're going to put in 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder as well. So this is a Sun Warrior. I can put the link down below. And we're going to put, I always put trace mineral drops now in my smoothies. We're going to put a few of these. And we are going to put some spinach as well. And I'm actually going to add some ice as well. All right, here we go. This one, oh, so good. They're all so good, you guys. You got to try them. I put a little bit too much ice, so the consistency is a bit wonky, but I'll just stir it when I put it in. So there we have my chocolate peanut butter greens smoothie. You guys, you got to try these. So let's get the 3rd one ready. All right, number 3. So we have a blueberry peanut butter smoothie. Again, the peanut butter theme. And this, again, is great for my blood sugars, keeps me full, keeps me satisfied, and full of energy. So with this one, we're going to want to use 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. So you can use any milk really, whatever just sets your heart on fire. This one is almond milk. And we're going to use 2 ripe bananas. We will use 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And in the last one I did, if you guys want to add a little bit more peanut butter for the peanut butter flavor, you can. This one I typically do 1. The last one, sometimes I do 1 to 2. We are also going to do a scoop of the peanut butter powder. Just a little bit. And we are going to put in some vanilla protein powder. And we will do some trace mineral drops again. And we'll do about 1.5 cups of frozen organic blueberries. So always try buy as much organic as you can. I try buy as all organic as I can. It's not always 100%, but I try and keep it as close to possible. And I add a little bit of extra ice because I like my smoothies a little bit thick, as you guys know. and let's blend it up. This one is so good, you guys. And Nama, they've given me a special code for my followers only. So for this week, you guys can save $100 on one of these, which is pretty huge. So this machine's amazing. I make all my smoothies, sauces, dips, dressings, and people always ask me how you do it, but it's so great. This comes off and then this part just goes on to make your juice. So it's really cool. I replaced my Vitamix with it. It is great. So if you guys want that, I'll put the code down below and let's blend. All right, here we are. And purple foods, you guys, are just so high in antioxidants. So good for anti-aging, all the blueberries in here. And you have the protein. It's just really, truly satisfying. All right, so here we have, aren't these just gorgeous? Just so full of life. I get so excited eating vibrant, colorful food, and it really makes me feel good. So I hope you guys try these. We have the cherry chocolate, we have the blueberry antioxidant bliss with the peanut butter, and we have the chocolate peanut butter with the greens. I'm all about the greens too. So I truly hope you guys try these. And if you guys want this blender, I'll put it down below. I cannot say enough good things about this. I truly make everything in it. My whole family uses these machines every single day, including the milk maker. So I'll put the codes down below if you guys want to save $100 on this or a good savings on the milk maker. Grab those, and I'll put a couple great videos on the screen for you guys right now. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.